Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the enchanted dress on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the hair and the accessory adjustments, of course. I'm just trying to be careful not to remove anything I don't want to remove. So for the hair, I use this hair, toggle it to no bangs, no adjustments on that. For this one I toggled it to only bangs. Also, I use this color C37E2D, and then I use this hair in no bangs, position the Z at 0.54. Then I use this hair as well, and for the adjustment, scale it up to 0.59, and then I use this hair, toggle it to only bangs, and then I use this crown in VIP in this color DFDFDF, and positioned the Y at 0.66, Z 0.48, and scaled it down to 0.23. I did use some VIP items here, so let's keep that in mind. I meant just keep that in mind. Color the skirt white. I used the trendsetter skirt thingy. And then I also used this skirt in no bow, and I just colored it in all white. And then for the top, if you don't have VIP, you can just use only this one, but I'm going to also pair it with the flower top. Let me just put on these sleeves because she has really big puffy sleeves. Oh god, I want to cuff so bad. Then I'm going to use this top in matte and in all white like this. And I'm going to get this necklace, and I'm going to just color it all white, and I'm going to also pair it with this necklace in all white. And I'm going to use the gloves from VIP, but if you don't have it, you can just use the sleeves out here. I'm going to just toggle to the third toggle without fur, but you can also use these sleeves here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!